Proven strategies to excel at football. Mastering the art of football requires dedication, skill, and a strategic mindset. Here are some proven strategies to take your game to the next level. 1. Develop your ball control. Focus on improving your dribbling, passing, and shooting skills. Practice precision and accuracy to outmaneuver opponents. 2. Enhance your fitness level. Football demands endurance and agility. Incorporate cardio workouts, strength training, and flexibility exercises into your routine. 3. Study the game. Analyze professional matches. Learn from the best players and understand different tactics. This knowledge will help you make smarter decisions on the field. 4. Communicate effectively. Football is a team sport, so effective communication is crucial. Use clear and concise instructions to coordinate with teammates and execute strategies. 5. Improve your decision making. Quick thinking is vital in football. Train your mind to make split-second decisions, anticipate plays, and